वाइस चांसलर इंजीनियरिंग यूनिवर्सिटी ने मैट्रिक और इंटरमीडिएट के तलबा में गोल्ड, सिल्वर और ब्रॉन्ज मेडल्स तकसीम कर दिए। तामीर वतन पब्लिक स्कूल्स एंड कॉलेजेस कागान कॉलोनी कैंपस के मैट्रिक और इंटरमीडिएट के तलबा की सालाना तकरीब तकसीम इनामात की शानदार तकरीब का इनकाद किया गया। सालाना तकरीब तकसीम इनामात कमांडेंट ब्रिगेडियर रिटायर्ड सैयद मुज्तबा तिरमिज़ी की ज़ेर निगरानी में मुनक्किद की गई। तकरीब में डिप्टी कमांडेंट लेफ्टिनेंट कर्नल रिटायर्ड इरफान अजीज़, असिस्टेंट कमांडेंट डॉक्टर सैयद शहबाज सुल्तान, मुअज़्ज़िज़ असातिज़ा, कोऑर्डिनेटर्स और सैकड़ों तलबा ने भी शिरकत की। तकरीब के मेहमान खुसूसी वाइस चांसलर यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग एंड टेक्नोलॉजी पेशावर प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर सादिक खटक थे। तामीर वतन पहुंचने पर मेहमान खुसूसी वाइस चांसलर का शानदार इस्तकबाल किया गया। मिलिट्री बैंड की खूबसूरत धुनों ने तकरीब तकसीम इनामात को 4 चांद लगा दिए। तलबा ने अपनी शानदार परफॉर्मेंस से हाजरीन के दिल मोह लिए। प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर सादिक खटक ने बोर्ड इम्तिहान में मैट्रिक और इंटरमीडिएट के सालाना इम्तिहानात में नुमाया कारकर्दगी का मुजाहरा करने वाले तलबा में 28 गोल्ड, 74 सिल्वर, 70 ब्रॉन्ज मेडल्स और तारीफी असनाद तकसीम की।
हल्लमल कुरान, खलकल इंसान, हल्लमहुल बयान. He introduces himself in the most compassionate manner. He says, I am the whole compassionate, I am the mercy. He could have said Al-Qahar also, he could have said Al-Jabbar also, but he said Ar-Rahman. So, Ar-Rahman is the attribute of compassion. Ar-Rahman is the attribute of mercy. And this attribute we find in the teachers. The teachers are compassionate, they are merciful, they are caring for their students. And then the Lord Almighty says that I gave you the knowledge of the book. And look what teacher does, he imparts knowledge. So this is also an attribute of Lord Almighty. And then he says, I created you, khalaqal insan. Though the teacher is not creator of our lives, but the teacher is architect of our destinies. Teacher is architect of our future. And teacher is a designer of the character of the nations and dignity of the nations. And then Lord Almighty says, وَهَلَّمَ الْبَيَانِ. Then he says that I gave you the art of expression. And look who grooms you and who gives you the art of expression. It is your teachers who give you the art of expression. So to me, the most honorable relationship one can enjoy in their lives after the parents are the teachers. Remember, they are the master architects because you are the architects of future of this country and your own generation and the generations to come. So, the students who value and respect their teachers, they are always successful because they are your spiritual parents. Dr. Sadik Khattak, we are really grateful. I'm sure the students will enjoy from your wisdom today. But like I said, once we say that character is destiny, the my boys of this campus, inshallah, next time once you will come, you will see that they are the people who follow the tagline of character. They are the people who follow the lines of Uswa Hasana, because the best role model which we can find for the entire humanity is the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And the bliss of salvation lies in following his footprints. And all those who follow our beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, they are on the path of salvation, and their destiny is very clear here and the hereafter. Now, you will find this campus as a campus of Uswa Hasana. So I expect my boys to explore what is Uswa Hasana, to follow the Prophet's path, because this is your salvation. Remember, the journey starts from the thoughts. Always prune your thoughts. If we let the thoughts grow into our mind, then it creates a jungle where the light of wisdom cannot trickle down. So it is very important that we check our thoughts always and at every step. Because if you sow a thought, you reap a habit. And if you reap a habit, sow a habit, you reap a character. And if you sow a character, you reap a destiny. So journey starts from your thoughts. Keep your thoughts pure and always be on the right path. Your chief guest today should be a symbol of inspiration and motivation for you, that in the youngest age, without any references, if you can make to the topmost position in academia, it is purely the merit, the character, hard work, resilience, and the utmost belief in Allah Almighty.
Standing here today in this serene valley of Kaghan and in the heart of Tamiri Watan, I feel not merely honored, I definitely feel highly uplifted. This institution does not stand as a cluster of buildings only. It stands as a philosophy, a movement, and a mission. A mission to shape minds, refine character, and build destinies. There are many schools in the country, but Tamiri Watan is among the few institutions that build human beings before they build careers. Here, education is not just a profession, it is a purpose. Here, learning is not an activity, it is a journey of becoming. Character is the destiny. This timeline's truth echoes in every corridor of this great institution. At Tamiri Watan, the measure of success is not marks alone, it is manners, morality, and mission. Students here are prepared not merely for the examinations, but for life. They are groomed to think, to lead, to serve, and to stand upright with dignity and humility. At home, for the orphaned and unprivileged, one of the noblest traditions of these institutions is the belief that no child should be left behind. Here, an orphan does not remain an orphan. He becomes a Tamirian. He becomes a family. He is supported, protected, educated, and embraced with honor and affection. Here, a Hafiz-e-Quran is not simply respected. He is celebrated, given free education, and placed at the center of the school's moral campus. Here, children from every cross section of society, rich or poor, sit in the same classroom and dream the same dreams. This is not just education, this is equality. This is not just schooling, this is nation building. Preference is always given to the ex-versatile FATA, what we used to call as FATA. Tamiri Watan honors the resilience of our brothers and sisters from the tribal districts, formerly known as the FATA. by giving preference and opportunities to ex-FATA students. This institution proves that leadership is born not from the background, but from belief and hard work. A culture where merit prevails. In an age where shortcuts tempt the weak, Tamiri Watan stands tall as a fortress of merit. Here, success is earned, respect is commanded by the character. Tamiri Watan treats every student as a VIP, not because of status, but because of potential you have. They are the architects of Pakistan's tomorrow, engineers, thinkers, reformers, and the leaders. My message to the students: hold your character always upright. Everything else will definitely follow. Respect your teachers, the architects of your minds. Respect your parents, they are your first institution. Work hard, not someone is watching, but because Allah is writing your destiny. Dream big. Pakistan definitely needs your brilliance. A definite tribute to this institution. I pay a lot of tributes to the leadership, faculty, and especially Brigadier Sayyid Mujtaba Tirmizi and his team for the dedication, discipline, and vision. Here, service to humanity embodies nation building. If Pakistan has institutions like Tamiri Watan, where values illuminate knowledge and merit guides opportunity, then our future is very much bright. हमारे गांव में मेरे फादर की सर्विस थी. उन्होंने अपने बच्चों के मुस्तकबिल को देखा और अपने गांव से शिफ्टिंग की. शहर हम लोग आ गए. जब हम शहर में आए तो मेरे फादर की ड्यूटी गांव में ही थी. वो सुबह गांव जाते ड्यूटी परफॉर्म करने के लिए और शाम को अंधेरे में वापस आते. सोल पर्पस ये था कि मेरे बच्चों को अच्छी एजुकेशन मिले. हमारा स्कूल और कॉलेज बिल्कुल करीब आ गया. जब उन्होंने उनकी ये कुर्बानी हम लोग देखते और उनकी उस स्ट्रगल को देखते, तो फॉर अस फेलियर वाज नेवर एन ऑप्शन. वी हैड टू सक्सीड एंड यू ऑलवेज लुक एट द फेलियर not as an opposite of success. Failure is an integral part of the success of the path that you have. हमने स्कूलिंग की, कॉलेज किया, नौशहरा डिग्री कॉलेज टॉप किया, फिर इंजीनियरिंग यूनिवर्सिटी में गया. पहला साल डिपार्टमेंट नहीं, पूरी यूनिवर्सिटी को टॉप किया. सेकेंड ईयर ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग यूनिवर्सिटी में इंजीनियरिंग यूनिवर्सिटी को टॉप किया. थर्ड ईयर ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग यूनिवर्सिटी में इंजीनियरिंग यूनिवर्सिटी को टॉप किया. फोर्थ ईयर ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग यूनिवर्सिटी में इंजीनियरिंग यूनिवर्सिटी को टॉप किया. और चारों साल 1952 से अब तक हर साल ये एक हिस्ट्री है कि उतने नंबर ना मुझसे पहले किसी ने लिए थे और ना मेरे से बाद में किसी ने फिर लिए हैं. मैंने अपना पहला MS किया फ्रांस से, वहाँ से मैंने यूनिवर्सिटी टॉप की. फिर अपना दूसरा MS मैंने जॉर्जिया इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी अमेरिका से किया, वहाँ मैंने टॉप किया. फिर पहली PhD मैंने अमेरिका की जॉर्जिया इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी से की. फिर दूसरी PhD मैंने फ्रांस से की. फिर उसके बाद मैंने पोस्ट डॉक्टरेट किया. और अब मेरी छुट्टी रहती थी, लोग बाहर इंजॉय करते थे कि फॉर द सेक ऑफ द नेशन एंड डेफिनेटली माई पेरेंट्स एंड टू सर्व दिस सॉइल आई कैंसल्ड माई लीव, सैंक्शन लीव, और मैं वापस पाकिस्तान आया. और पाकिस्तान के उसी इदारे की अल्लाह ताला ने मुझे एक अपॉर्चुनिटी दी. मुज्तबा तिरमिज़ी साहब इज़ विटनेस टू दी स्ट्रगल दैट वी हैड कि आई एम द यंगेस्ट वाइस चांसलर अक्रॉस द कंट्री अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. और वही तालीमी इदारा जहाँ पे मैं स्टूडेंट था, जहाँ पे मैंने सर्विसेज एज ए प्रोफेसर डिलीवर की, and now Allah gave me this opportunity to lead that very institutions. and inshallah we expect कि हम इस इंजीनियरिंग यूनिवर्सिटी को एक बेहतरीन इदारा बनाएंगे. और ये तामीरी वतन भी जो आपका है, बिकॉज हमारा जो UET एबटाबाद कैंपस है, that is very near. I am not aware of the orientations, but that is very near to the environment that we have. So this institution, we also need to own it. This is our own institution. UET Abbottabad campus, you have to own it. It is also your own institution, and we have to own all these Tamiri Watan institutions.
Our vision is very bold, and the vision is a Tamirian who emerges as a disciplined in character, confident in conduct, excellent in academics, and proud to serve Pakistan. Mind you, this is not just a speech, this is my oath. Remember, a soldier's surroundings shape his mindset, and a student's surroundings shape his performance. We will uplift this campus, classrooms, corridors, boardings, grounds. Everything will reflect order, cleanliness, and high level of discipline. When the environment improves, attitude improves, focus improves, result improves, and that is our resolve. Ladies and gentlemen, no army becomes great without physical strength, courage, and teamwork. And therefore, hear this loud. We are about to build a sports culture that rivals the best possible standards. Disciplined, trained, fighting fit teams in basketball, cricket, football, table tennis, taekwondo, and badminton. These teams will not just participate, they will dominate. We will train like a unit, fight like a unit, and win like a unit, inshallah. Because sports don't only build bodies, they build commanders, fighters, and winners. My dear Tamirians, the strength of this institution is not the buildings nor the uniform. It is you. You are the soldiers of tomorrow. You are the ambassadors of this institution. You are the future defenders, innovators, and leaders of Pakistan, inshallah. Remember, discipline is your weapon. Hard work is your ammunition. Respect is your honor. And consistency is your path to victory. If you rise, Tamir Watan rises. And when Tamir Watan rises, Pakistan rises, inshallah. As we celebrate this day of pride and honor, I pray that Allah blesses every student with success, every teacher with strength, and every parent with joy. Together, with purpose, discipline, and unity, we will make Tamir Watan Abbottabad a fortress of excellence, inshallah. I thank you. Pakistan, Zindabad.